Oh, okay. It's really late at night. I've had a great day today. I'm going to be going to, um, hi guys. Hi guys. How are you tonight? It's Friday night. It is October. I don't really know what day of the week it is actually. No, it's Friday night and it's October 9th, right? October 9th. Wait, let me check the date. Hold on. Okay, yes, it is Friday night. Okay, so it's Friday night, October 9th, and I woke up today at 7 o'clock in the morning, which felt like torture. I have not taken a nap all day, and I had gone to bed the night before at like 1 o'clock in the morning. So I'm running on like 6 hours of sleep, and homeschooling, and like all this stuff is happening on top of D2. But today was so exciting because I'm like one day closer to getting to go to the garden that I'm going to be opening up in New York City, and I'm kind of like overwhelmed, and I'm thinking, how am I going to handle all this? And which is crazy because I used to handle a restaurant with a lot of employees and a lot of like government offices in my pocket and all this stuff. And like the garden seems intimidating because it's like something so new to me. So I can't wait to take you tomorrow to the garden, and I'm going to record when I get there, and I'm going to like walk around and show you what it looks like now so you guys can see what it turns into over time. And at some point I'm going to get to how I got to this garden, how I got the garden and what the process was like, because I would love to teach people how to do this because I guess if you like a little bit of hard work for a lot of return, in terms of health, organic, in terms of like educational, inspirational, tranquility, helping, I don't know, if you want a little bit of that, like, you know, eco vanity where you just like go out and you create something beautiful and you just like enjoy it, then I can't wait till you guys see what this garden is gonna be like. And I'm gonna go and take you guys there tomorrow. Now you might not see this video until it's like all together, but I'm Asha Velez, and I'm taking you guys to my garden, or my community garden, that is going to be opening up next season. We will of course be experimenting in there if you want to come experiment with us before, during the winter, or like as much as we can bear it, depending on how cold it gets. But I hear you can grow like, what is it, garlic and Brussels sprouts, lettuce, like iceberg lettuce. I guess that's why it's called iceberg lettuce. I really don't know that, but whatever. I can't wait to take you guys tomorrow. It's not going to be like an official ribbon cutting because a lot of the members couldn't be there. But if you want to be a member and you want to find out more, or if you want to find out more, we'll have a website soon. So yeah, like if you guys have any suggestions as to what we could name it, drop me a comment below so that I can like think about that. I was thinking about calling it the Learning Garden, the Learning Garden. But do you think I should cut my hair? I was thinking that I should cut it shorter. What do you think? Oh gosh, why don't I have double chin? I don't know. Anyway, should I cut it shorter? I feel like I want to go short, but it never looks like this when I cut it like this. Anyway, enough of my haircut disasters, future disasters, whatever. I can't wait to share the garden and how I got there. And if you want to help, you can help. And if you want to open your own garden, like drop me a line because I'm learning and I've already gotten as far as getting the keys or the combination to the garden. So love you guys. Bye.